Okay, I'm going to repair this back damage here. You see, it's quite big on top here. Okay, I'm turning this off so you can see. You see, it's all crown here, all the way here, and there's a big bump here. Not big bump, it's a big deep. We call this on inside. Anyway, all bumpy area here, and this car is going back for lease. So look at that. I will see how it after repair. Now you can see from here, the one over there, so much bad dent here. Let's see. Okay, these are second auto wave MM2. If you mix them properly, you won't see so many bubble or things like that. But in the fake, like this is a fake auto wave MM I bought from eBay. If I mix like that, you will see bubble on the top of the cup. It's like so much foam. If you see so much foam, that's a fake auto wave. Look at that. Without even polish. How beautiful it is. I'm gonna show you from this side. Oh, look at that. So shiny, my friend. So shiny, trust me. Okay, the Yaris is done. Beautiful, look at the shine. Okay, a little buff and polish. What is this thingy? Nothing. Gonna check.
Hi.
Hello, how are you? Good? Sorry?
How long more are you going to be?
Half an hour maximum.
Half an hour maximum. Okay, we'll be back within that.
Yeah. Okay, after buff and polish, it's looking good. And I'm gonna show you color match. Look at that, how beautiful it is. Okay, now I'm gonna show you color. Yeah.
When you're finished,
Yeah.
can you have a look at my car?
Where is your car? The this next one, black one. I will.
There's a dent on the other side.
I will have a look. Don't worry. So I'm gonna show you here. Look at that now. You see? So this is called 100% blend. This should be. You can see. From there. Beautiful, my friend. Yours is ready. Yours is ready now.